Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Ideasetc. Today I am going to make Applecrumble, which is a delicious warm dessert and it tastes awesome with a dollop of ice cream. For this, I'll be using 3 apples, 1 grated and 2 cut into small squares. The squares should not be too small, otherwise they will become soft and mushy on cooking. You can take any variety of apples, just remember to peel them before using. White sugar, 2 tablespoons, a few drops of vanilla essence, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1 cup refined flour, 30 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and a pinch of nutmeg powder. First of all, we will caramelize the sugar. As the sugar starts to caramelize, add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a few drops of vanilla essence. After the sugar properly melts, add the grated apples to it. Stir for about 3 minutes, then add diced apples to it. Cook till they are soft, but they should not be very soft. There should be some crunch to it. As you can see, it is done. So we will switch off the gas and take it out and place it at the base of a cake tin. Now let's make the outer crust for the apple crumble. And for that I am mixing the refined flour, butter, brown sugar, nutmeg powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Gently mix it with your hand. The texture of this mixture should be crumbly. As you can see that all the things are evenly mixed, so we will spread it over the apples in a thick layer. I have already preheated my oven and I will place this tin in it and bake at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes or till it gets a nice brown crust. Our apple crumble is ready. It is looking very pretty, very delicious, smelling great. There's a lovely aroma of cinnamon coming out of it. It is best served with ice cream. If you like my recipe, please like, share and comment. Thank you so much.